Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. In our today's video, I will just give you some update regarding my new website. So I have created my new website with the name blognow.in and you can see on the screen itself. So this is the home page of my website and here you will find a lot of stuff which are related to the Hadoop technology, Oracle DBA, Unix, SQL, and in future you will also find a very good post related to the cloud technology. So if you just go to the Oracle DBA blog, here I have written almost 70 to 80 blogs till now, and all the blogs are related on the top of latest technology, which is the Oracle 12c, and you will also find some blogs which are related to the Oracle 18c as well. So in future, you will get a lot of good stuff, and you can increase your knowledge just by reading these blogs over here. And in this training review, those who have taken the training from me, and if you're really interested to take the training from me, you can directly contact me from here. The index you can see from here itself. So this is all about the ratings and the training reviews which are given by the student to me. If you are looking for Hadoop training, again this is the index for Hadoop training. You can come back to me if you are looking for Hadoop training. And in the last section you can see the Hadoop blog. So whatever the situation, whatever the problems which I'm seeing on the while working on the production environment, I'm just putting it over here. So this is all about my new website blognow.in. I hope you will like this website. Please go through it and try to read as much as you can so that you can get a best knowledge into the industry. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please write your comment if you are looking for training, and you can directly contact to me. You can get all the details into the description box. Thank you so much. Bye bye for the day.